Sometimes you forget a passcode, then your iPhone is disabled. How many chances you got before iPhone is completely disabled? Full restore means your all data gone, so be careful to insert the passcode. This video is about how many attempts you got to enter the passcode to unlock. If you put right passcode on any, you got unlocked, but if you fail to enter the correct passcode, then iPhone is disabled and no option to enter a passcode. At first, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 attempts. Then you got locked for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you again chance to insert a passcode. If you insert wrong, then you got locked for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you again got a chance to insert a passcode. If you insert wrong again, then you got locked for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you again chance to insert a passcode. If you insert wrong again, then you got locked for 15 minutes again. After 15 minutes, you again chance to insert a passcode. If you insert wrong passcode, then you got locked for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you again chance to insert a passcode. If you insert wrong, then you got locked for 1 hour again. After 1 hour, you again chance to insert a passcode. If you insert wrong, then your iPhone is completely disabled. Then no option to insert the passcode. Finally, you got all total of 11 chances to insert the correct passcode. If you fail on 11 attempts, then your iPhone is disabled. iPhone is disabled and connect to iTunes.